Hello friends, I have made this video to show you the extreme performance of metal transmission in WPL B1, and I feel WPL B1 is the best rock roller for upgrades because this has a low center of gravity due to design. The body of this rock roller really sits very low in the chassis, and this metal transmission includes a 370 motor. I have also upgraded this with metal drive shafts and metal axles inside. The axle housings are still plastic, and soon I am going to upgrade this with metal ones, and this will even improve the performance of this WPL B1 truck. So friends, this WPL B1 with metal transmission is super torquey, and you will find out what it can do in extreme conditions in this video. I have included the links of the parts in the description and would like you to subscribe to my channel, as I really love to show my RCs to you.